How to change color of any image or logo using Canva. So in this video tutorial we are going to talk about, so I'm going to show you two ways that you can use as per your requirement. Okay, so let's start with the video. At the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva app. So if you have any logo file like individual file, and if you don't have any that source file like Photoshop source file, and you have only image, then you can upload that image from here. Go to the upload and upload the file and select that logo file and upload it. Okay, after upload you need to go to the edit design. Okay, or you can come to the create and have, you can take any canvas size like presentation, social media, Photoshop, whatever you have, you want, you can take from here. Like, okay, so I have already opened one design logo. Here is my canvas. Okay, so there is a two method I will show you. The first, you can use that magic edit. Okay, just select that logo or design, go to the edit, and under the magic studio we need to go here. Just click on that arrow and find that magic editor. Okay, just select that. Now this magic editor will be open. Now this is your logo. Okay, you can select your area from click or by brush. So you need to select the brush only and change the size, brush size as per requirement. If your elements is too small, then you can make that brush size very small. So my elements is it's good enough to view. So I just keep this brush size normal. Now you need to, here the auto detect option also. So let me brush like this. So you need to select that elements like this. Okay, this is the first method. I will show you the second method also. So choose that part. Okay, I selected that part. It's done. Now here the I need to decide what I want to edit. So we need to change color. Okay, so I just need to command change color to red and careful about outline. Okay, and generate. So it will be start editing. So now you can see there is a few option you can choose. So here you can see the first option, second option, third option, and fourth option. So whatever you want, you just select and click done. If you want to make changes, you can change your prompt. Like, I want also white dot within it. Okay, and generate again. Okay, so they change the color. So just change the prompt, so it will be change your image. Now just click done. Now we have that image. Now you can download as a PNG file or whatever you want. Okay, so this is the first method. I will show you the second method. Let me undo everything. Okay, we can start over it. So the second method is same. You need to go in editor, and now we need to go in that effect size. Okay, go to the effects option and go to the this dot on. Okay, and if you don't find here, just scroll left or right, it will be fine. If you can find it. Okay, now just select that, and you can change, you can select any style like this. Okay, and from here you can change the color. Okay, this pattern will be applied to the all design. Okay, so it may be 2 color or 3 colors. So here we have 2 color. You can change it like this. Okay, this is like color pattern. After done, just come done, just select the done, and the image will be edit. So let me go again it. Okay, here just select your style. You can change color from here. After done, just click outside, then it will be apply. Okay, and now you can download it as a png file or any other format. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.